Okay, here's what we have. Whoa, the Kokeshi doll. Well, it's a little Japanese doll with the head off. In this machine, what we're gonna do is put some money in and hopefully take a picture, and hopefully it will turn out. Let's see. Hopefully it'll turn out like this little face right here with Debbie's face in there. So we'll put the glasses down. Yes. Okay. And then let's press. I think this is one person. Okay. Just wait a second. Don't quit getting too excited. Okay, we want to go from camera. And I will move out of the picture. Look at the camera. So we're gonna look at the camera here and press. We're gonna wait for those people to get out. We're waiting for those people to move. I'll move out of there. I'm waiting for everybody to move. And as soon as it's clear, and go. 7, keep my smile, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, cheese. Okay, maybe you can move. And this is what it captured. And then when we're satisfied, we press this button. I think this means it's making your face. Yes, face detection. Okay, let's click OK.
Yeah.
Tell me where you want it. Like that maybe? Or up a little bit more?
Yeah, up a little more.
And to the left.
There. Up to the, yeah. Well, maybe you're right.
One more to the right. Let's see. Let's get straight on. One more to the left. Yeah, that's good. That looks good.
Okay.
And we press the green button, which means okay. Ooh, and now we can zoom out or in. I don't know how to do the zoom out buttons.
But that looks good, huh?
It looks pretty good.
Yeah.
We're gonna go with it. Okay, that means print. And we move this out of the way. It is currently printing. Nothing yet. Beep. Ooh, okay. It's a rubberized face. What do you keep on looking at? No, you have to turn over, we'll see. Wait. Oh, and the sticker has to be somewhere though. Let's see. Let's see. Oh no, we need to go get the sticker for this. Otherwise, we just have a little tiny blank face. Okay, round 2. Here we go. 7, 6, 5. Okay, I think you can move. Yes. Yes. Up a little bit, maybe to the left. How's that look?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, we'll get up a little bit. Look good. Okay. In this. Now we wait, see what happens. Are you excited for your face?
Yes.
We got the headless doll. Now we just need to get the face to match. Has music and stuff too. Almost coming soon.
Oh yeah, this is taking longer.
Yeah. It's telling us it's printing. Or yay! Yes. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Yes. Oh yeah, right here. Here, take this. Snap the face in. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.
レフトハンドドイツ航空よりお客様の呼び出しを申し上げます。レフトハンドドイツ航空717便にてフランクフルト